What's going on, Street Trip Drip Squad? Welcome back to the channel, guys. You might think to yourself, what's going on with the thumbnail? What's going on with you being in the garage? Well, it's gonna be easy explanation. The front lip is broken, guys. As you can see, it is gone. I had to take it off. Jayla, my little assistant, is over here. Look at this, guys. This whole corner right here, literally broken completely off. And looking at it in further inspection, I knew that the valet guy that I was at the restaurant about, was it last week? When we went out to eat and we had to valet the car, had no choice. It was raining, had the kids and the family with me, so I had to do that. Something told me, I don't know why I did, but I just went and did it for them so that way they won't get wet. I was gonna go park on the side and just walk over. It was like probably 10, 20 steps we would have been inside. But I just went ahead and did valet. It was free, so I just did it anyway. But guys, I didn't notice 2 days later after I came home, because I didn't drive the car, about 2-3 days after we went to the restaurant, we come to go out again, and I noticed that this happened to the front lip, man. I was so pissed. It was only 2 screws holding it in. That's what was left. Look at this. The way he did it, look at that. Complete savage mode, which definitely tells me that the curb stop, he just went right into that. He didn't even stop or anything. He just came in hot. Maybe he felt the power of the car, heard the turbo, got excited, and I don't know, but man, this is super, super upsetting. This is what I'm dealing with. This is the second time, guys, that I replaced this stupid thing. First time, I do admit, it was my fault. I was having a little too much fun and distracted. But I thought I was going to for sure be good. Nope, we're back to this, guys. So we did get a replacement. All right, guys, so we got the replacement here. This is version 2. So shout out to Maxton Design. I went with them again because these are the best quality lips that you can get for your car, or front spoiler, whatever you want to call it. I call it lip. But basically, you could tell the difference. Let's come over here. So this is the original one that I had, which is V1. I actually opted to go to V2 this time, and there's the difference right there. You see how this cuts way more aggressive and comes out a lot more. Almost looks like the Batman logo there. And then look at V1, it's a little bit softer, more subtle. So that's the biggest difference on this. So this should look a lot more aggressive. I was thinking of going this in the beginning, but I forget what it was. I think they didn't have it in stock or something like that. Or it was just coming out and they didn't have it. But we're gonna go ahead and give it a try and just trying something different. I figured, since I had that twice already, give it a little bit refresh, relook to the car. And we got an Audi meet coming up, guys. So your boy has to show up clean. I gotta go up in style. It's only right that we bring it and give it a little different twist to the typical. So without further ado, I'm going to throw it on. It's pretty self-explanatory. Line it up. These grooves here line up perfectly with the body of the car. It makes it super easy. And I have my trusty assistant over here that's going to help me. She's big enough now where she can give me a hand on doing this. So I'm going to throw it on. If you guys want to see the video on how to put it on, go back and watch that. I did do a step-by-step, but today it's insanely hot. Trying to get this done on time. So I'm going to do this and then show you guys the after once it's completely on. All right, guys, there she is. Look at this. Super aggressive. Look at the way it pokes out. Almost looks like vampire fangs on the side there. Looks really clean. I love the way it came out. Look at that. Y'all comment below, let me know. Do you guys have the V2 or do you have the V1? Ooh, looks crazy. Let's get another side profile. Look at that. Really, really nice. This is how it looks like from the top. Crazy aggressive. I love this. Came out really nice, guys. Guys, this just goes to show you, can't make a big deal about materialistic things. I know I got mad initially, but everybody does. You're human, so that's definitely going to happen. But just got to count your blessings, man, because at the end of the day, when you sit back, you know, and look at the nice, beautiful build that I have done, and to have like a minor setback like something like that, you can't really take it that hard, because look how far I came. You know, I've never imagined that I could have something like this or even remotely close to this. As far as everything I've done to this car, or even this car in general, came a long way. I mean, my last car, my last A4 that I had was over 10 plus years with that car. And then previous cars were all used cars. So this is my second new car right from the dealership. Never had that, never thought I'd be doing that. Built up my credit from the top, and worked really hard with that, and got it to where it is now to be able to do something like this. So just, you know, I say this to say, never get mad over materialistic things. Always be blessed with what you have. I got a house over my head. My family's good. We're healthy. You know, that's the bigger stuff that matters. So I just do this pretty much for content, because I turned a negative into a positive. I could have been pissed off, trying to go, you know, moping around and everything like that. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to get a new lip. I'm going to get a different lip, which I did. And I'm going to get content out of it to get to you guys. So that's pretty much the basis of this video, is just to show you that you could turn a negative into a positive. It doesn't always have to stay negative, and you don't always have to stay in a negative mindset. That's your choice. You choose how you control and how you how you react to situations. And this is the way I decided to react. And, you know, here we are with content. Got a new look on the car. Can't wait to show it to you guys. And it's going to be exciting to get out there and see what everybody thinks about it. So, yeah, this is it, guys. Look at that. Man, I had to put my little light on right there from Harbor Freight to give a little better reaction here in the garage. Man, every time I look at this, every time I step out, it's always exciting as soon as I open the door, because actually where I'm standing is where the garage door from the house is. So I come out, this is the first thing I see, and it's just like a breath of fresh air, and it's just, man, you feel the energy, and you just appreciate and love how far you came with this, and how far you came in general in life. And man, definitely blessed to be able to share this with you guys. And to have something like this to be able to drive around, one of my dreams, and turned it into reality for me. So, man, enough talking. I know I kind of ranted a little bit, but I'm going to pull it outside so I can get better shots for you guys. So you can see it in the sun, and looking a lot better, so you can see that front lip as well. All right, guys, we made it out to this location for you, so I can show you in the bright sunlight, so you can get a full understanding, full view of that front lip. Now you can see what I'm talking about. Look at that. So nice. Yes, sir. Real crazy right there. Look at the details. That's the aggressive point that I was telling you that comes out. You can see how that sticks out right there. So sick. Oh yeah, she ready. Wow, guys. So yeah, Kind of sucks, but huge shout out to the valet guy for doing this. But now the car looks really crazy, especially with this front lip here. Look at that beautiful profile view. Gives it that nice extra look. But basically, it was Ocean Prime. So I'm gonna put them on blast. Valet at Ocean Prime. Like I said, I couldn't go back there and put it on them because the car has been sitting for like 2-3 days. There's no way that they would believe me that, you know, I did that or I didn't do that. So basically I had to take the L on that. I wish I would have noticed a lot sooner. It was dark out, to my defense, so by the time we got out there I wouldn't have noticed it. And on the way home there was nothing dragging. So that also leads me to believe that he pushed it back up just enough to hold it where I wouldn't notice it. And then sure enough, a couple days later, I come in the garage and the thing's like hanging all on the ground there. So that's how I noticed. Actually, the wife noticed that. So shout out to her, because otherwise I would have drove off and been extremely pissed with it like that. But definitely watch out valeting your car, guys, especially if you have it lowered like I do. And it's not even insanely lowered. Now imagine if I had bags or anything like that, probably would have been worse. But I hope you guys like the content. Make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one, Street Drip. I'll see you on the next one. We're out.